Hey guys, Eli here from Next on Kicks. I hope you guys have been amazing. Thank you for showing all the love on the last videos as well. I really appreciate that, guys. So today I'm bringing you another how-to video, and today we're going to be covering different ways to lace your Yeezy 350s. I've got a nice pair of base size zebras right here. So before we jump into the video, you guys could smash the like button and also subscribe. We're on the way to hit 1,000 subscribers, and that's going to be massive for the channel. So I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. So I'm really excited for what's in store for the YouTube channel and for Next on Kicks. So get behind the video, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so you're gonna wanna grab your shoes with me and do it along. If you can't keep up, just pause the video or put it on like a slower setting, and that way you can get exactly how to do these lace styles, okay guys? So we're gonna do the factory knot style, as you can see here. Pretty nice. This is how I wear my Yeezys when I go out. I will be showing you a total of 3, so stay tuned for the other ones. We're gonna start off with this one first though. First things first, just grab the ends of your shoelaces like this. You wanna bring it up, let me just get like that. You want to bring it up like this, so it's nice and straight. Grab 2 fingers like that. Wrap it around your 2 fingers, okay? Now come to the bottom of the point here, just over the top. Now, this is how I do it. So then I'll get my other two fingers, go in the hole, and then just kind of grab onto this little last bit. So you're grabbing through the hole now, and then you'll pull like that, okay? You can play around with it, tighten it, make it looser, or have a bigger like loop. You wanna pull on this bottom part here to tighten it up. As you can see, that tightens it. And then yeah, you've got your, pretty much your DS lace lock style, basically, the factory knot. So if you wanted a bigger kind of knot, you can get a bit more lace through here. These are kind of loose, so not too tight. Don't want it to look whack.
Like that, cool. There you go. Beautiful, all right, cool.
So then you can just quickly, I'll just show you guys quickly again. Wrap it around the fingers, like this, in the hole. That's what it's gonna look like, in the hole. Try and stay close to the parts where it comes out of the shoe, like that. Perfect. There is your factory lace knot. And you can tighten it up, of course, just by doing this. Pulling on the laces, it'll bring it closer. Cool. You don't want to have it too tight just because it will hurt your foot. The inside of the shoe, that is, the laces push on your foot and it can be a bit tight. So there's your factory knot. Alrighty, now on to the second style. It's really simple, guys. So all you want to do is really loosen up your laces. So pull them all the way through like this. And we're going to do spaghetti knots, all right? We're going to do the spaghetti laces. So we're going to pull them out just like this. And this is just going to look super crazy, but it does look kind of cool. And every once in a while, I don't mind having this crazy lace style. So as you're pulling through, you want to have the first part kind of pulled out like that, forward, or whatever you want to do. You can kind of play around with it, fiddle around with it, see how you like to do it. But yeah, it's just basically a spaghetti look. It looks really crazy. I'll put some more pictures up on feet as well. But basically, yeah, you just pull them all out, pull it down from the bottom here, and you can just kind of like make it smaller and then bigger to kind of have a weird look going on. But yeah, it's really cool. You just kind of want to mess it up. So it's super messy. But yeah, it's a pretty cool way you can wear your laces on your Yeezys. So that's the second way you can lace your Yeezys. And I'm going to show you the third way, which is the Kaws way. So honestly, it looks harder than it is. It's pretty easy, so just follow along with what I'm doing. Firstly, you want to just unlace the whole pair to start with. Then you want to go inside and just lace it through the first 2 holes here on the inside, not the outside, but the inside. So just go ahead and do that. Pause the video if you need. Do that first. Once you've done that, make sure you level them up so it's even. So easy way to just test it. So I need a little bit more on this side. There we go, nice and straight, cool, awesome. So I'm assuming you guys are ready to rock and roll. So the first thing, just pick a side to start on really. So you wanna grab, let's just go with this my right side. So you wanna just start up here. We're gonna make the eyes right now. So you do that, first step, then do it on the other side. Pretty easy, right guys? So there you go. First step done. Now, once you've done that, you want to come through the bottom, right? So this is the second hole, I'll just let you guys see. So you want to come through there. So once you're through there, you're going through the inside of the shoe, pulling out. We're going to make this is the second step, okay, after we've laced the first part of the eye. Do the same on the other side. So I'll show you guys again. This lace is inside the shoe. So you're going to go inside the shoe, come out on that second internal hole going up the lace right there. So it should look like this. Okay, you can kind of get an idea of the X's with the eyes here. Okay, so then you want to take the end again. You want to go into that fourth waiting hole, just like that, and there you have it. How sick is that? Wow. You can do different colored laces as well, which would be pretty awesome. Do the same on the other side. Beautiful. Cool. So just pull your laces to either side like that. Now, the next step, here we go. So laces are still inside like this. Through that one there. Just like that. Same on this side. Cool. Now, we're going to, now that it looks like this, we're going to swap it over. So we're gonna go over this side. We're gonna cross over this other side, okay? So pay attention guys. If you need, pause the video to catch up. So it should look like this now, yeah? Just like that. You can keep these like this now, so they've got their new directions. What you're gonna do is just gonna grab one side. You're going to come out this side here. Sorry, you want to come out here. Like this. So that's going to make the ear, like that. Yeah, you come out this side now. Yeah, beautiful. So now you just start twirling it around. My bad, guys. Just like this, 3 to 4 times. Keep it tight if you like, for that look. And then last time you just go inside and just tuck it under the lace. Like that, beautiful. How cool is that? So you can separate a little bit if you like, just like that. And then you repeat the same thing. So guys, we wanna do this. Go on the outside one there, just like that. Makes the ear, then come through that little hole just waiting there, and then wrap around a couple times, just like that. Try and keep it a little tighter. You can see I'm simply wrapping it around, just like that. You can bring it up a little bit if you want. Just fiddle around, and then pop that in the side there so it holds. There you got it, beautiful. You can just move it around, adjust it, make your adjustments. But yeah, basically that's the Kaws lacing. It's pretty cool, pretty different, especially if you got like the shirts and stuff, you can rock the shoes like that. Hey guys, as you can see, I've got a different shirt on than I just did. My bloody camera died and I had to film the next day, but we're at the end of the video. I hope you guys liked those different styles. Again, we have the Kaws lacing, which is a pretty dope style. And then this is, oh, there we go. This is one of my personal favorites, just the dead stock lacing. It looks pretty much the nicest in my opinion. But you know, that is pretty cool if you're wearing like the Kaws shirt and like some other stuff like that. But yeah, there's 2 of the styles plus the spaghetti style. So if you guys have any questions, Remember, you can just comment them and I'll get back to them. Also, let me know which style you like the best out of the 3 and leave it down in the comments. And like always, please subscribe. We're on that road to 1,000 subscribers. It's gonna be really exciting. Leave a like, it really helps me grow as a channel, and as well, comment and show your friends, guys. I really appreciate every single one of you, and I love the Knock fam. So thank you guys so much and have a great day.